Hi class, welcome to week 5. This is our final week. Before I get started with recap of week 4, I want to just remind you to do your end of term survey. Remember that your voice matters in Vista College. And so you completing the end of term survey is very important. We do read those and make improvements to our curriculum and our instruction. So please go in and complete those end of term surveys. Also, in your other classes coming up, be sure to complete the end of term surveys in those classes as well. Okay, now let's talk about week 4. We want to recap. We talked about problem solving and critical thinking. In discussion 4, you guys shared some of your experiences with problem solving, whether it's on your job or in your household. Great examples of those of problem solving. And then in assignment 4, you guys helped Aslan solve a problem, and many of you shared your own personal experiences in some similar situations. I enjoyed reading those analyses. I've graded all of them, so you can go in and check your grades and comments on those as well. Okay, great week, guys. You guys did a great job in week 4. Now in week 5, we're talking about a growth mindset. This is a powerful week. This is a week that will set the tone for the rest of your time here at Vista College. The reason why it's so important is because it talks about having a growth mindset, how to have a growth mindset, and what it means to have a growth mindset. So there are 4 videos in this section. The videos are: do you have a growth mindset? Embracing challenges, the power of mistakes, the power of yet. They all talk about how to overcome obstacles and how to use your mistakes as tools to get ahead and how to be more successful, how to learn from those mistakes. Then in your discussion 5, you're going to talk about what you learned in this class. You're going to rank those things from the most important to the least, and talk about how it will help you with your educational endeavors here at Vista College. And then you have 2 assignments here, and let me stress this. You have 2 assignments, and they're both worth 100 points. You have to do these assignments. Those are heavy points, okay? Many students try to skip this week, and it kills their grade. You don't want to do that. I want you guys to go in here and complete these 2 assignments. The first assignment, you're going to consider your mindset, and you're going to talk about how you may or may not have a growth mindset. And if you don't have a growth mindset, what do you need to do to get a growth mindset, right? And then in assignment 2, you're going to write about how yet can transform your mindset and what you will do to transform your mindset using your yets, okay? And you'll learn about what a yet is in the video called The Power of Yet, all right? If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact me. Also, before I sign out, I want to remind you, do not fail this class because you have missing assignments. Go in and complete each assignment that's missing so that you can end well and finish strong, okay? Again, contact me if you need me. Have a great week.